TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 67, the Nasdaq's up 36, S&Ps are up 4, gold contracts trading up $6.90 at $1,335 an ounce. You get silver up 43 cents at $20.12 an ounce. Platinum's up 25 bucks at $11.20 an ounce. Copper's down a penny at $2.20 a pound. You get light sweet crude flat at $43. We're going to get the oil supply numbers out at 10:30 this morning. You can expect some high volatility there. Bonds, the 10-year note up 4 ticks, 132.08. 30-year bond up 16 ticks, 172.12. Now, both the notes and the bonds, folks, 2 o'clock today, you're going to see some fireworks. I expect you're going to have the volatility out here in spades. We go from the notes and bonds over to good old King Dollar. King Dollar is up 42 ticks, 97.21. In between the notes and King Dollar, bottom line, King Dollar looks to me like it wants to go higher. Notes look they want to go lower. And this is going to get intriguing. Why? Because counterintuitive this morning, the bottom line is that bonds actually do want to go higher versus lower. And it looks like the dollar is actually failing to go higher. So this 2 p.m. Statement by the Fed is going to be a big number. Euro is trading at $1.10, and the yen is at 105.73. We go over and we take a look at the SPY. This is what we have happening in the SPY right now. SPY is trading at a price point of 216.98. Bottom line, you're in that ABC structure on the way up. That ABC structure has a 1-to-1 price projection of 218.90. The NDX 100. Now, this is where it gets really wild, folks, because what we have is that the NDX 100 also is in a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. Apple's helping it dramatically this morning. You're at 114.70. That price projection is 121.99. After the close out here today, you get Facebook coming out. Of course, we got Google and we get Amazon tomorrow. It looks like this NDX 100 is going to get up into that 121 area. NASDAQ Composite. What you have with the Composite, that's also in a structure, ABC structure on the way up. We're at 51.46. That is 54.69. So bottom line is that I suspect all those indices are going to be finishing up, meaning the SPY, the NASDAQ, the NDX 100 will be finishing up that ABC structure in the next 3 or 4 days, more than likely set up right with Google and Amazon coming out with numbers Thursday, window dressing, all of the above, and then watch out. Gold contract. Now, this is the tough one right now. So, gold contract out here this morning is catching a bid. Bottom line, you know, you can expect the volatility, but we had buyers coming in at 920. You know, so we'll see where it stays there. My take is that, yes, we're going to get down to 1280 on it. We'll see where that shakes out. We go over to King Dollar, and what you have with King Dollar is this. Now, King Dollar has been catching a bid. This morning it is not catching a bid, so this 2 o'clock deal is going to be a big deal. We're going to see this. We're going to see the metals rock, I'm sure. When I say volatility, it's going to be up and down. It never is a one-way move when these Fed statements come out. Same with the dollar, and same with bonds. We go and we take a look at the bond market. And what we do have with the 10-year note is this. 10-year note has rejected lower price out here this morning. We got to 131.26. The volume is pretty light, you know, so bottom line is that it's really going to be dependent on how we come up to this 2 p.m. announcement. Thus far, the 10-year hasn't been able to get over a swing point of 132.11, and that is saying that the 10-year is still weak. That is saying that on a shorter-term basis, it looks to me that inside that statement is they're going to say that they want to go up once again, whether it's September or December. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.